Hi, today I'm doing group plays from my friends in the budgeting community. And I have $50. And first up is from Ellie on Earth. And it's her group play. And I'll roll the die. Well, no, I'll just scratch two of them. $2 and $1. So $3. So 1, 2, 3. And then next is from me. It's my July group play. And I'm going to do 2 on this one too. We'll do this bottom one, $4. And I'll do this one, $3. So 7. So 5, 6, 7. Oops. We went and celebrated my birthday yesterday. We went to Taos. We were gone for like 7 hours, but it was nice. It was just me, my landlord, and her sister Elsie. And this one's from Emma's Mom Budgets. It's her July group play. I'm going to do 2. So 2 and 2. So $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's from Grammy's Journey, Gracie. And I'm going to do this one, $6. We'll just do one on this one. Five, 6. And then, oops, where's my thingy? And then this one's from Angela Marie 888. And I'm going to scratch 2. So $2 and $1. $3. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to roll 1. And one more. One more. So $2 more. I'll put in a 5. Yeah. And then I added this new one from Kimmy's Corner. It's on her Ko-fi shop. And I'm going to try to do 4. So 3, 3, 1, and 2. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that's all the group plays. And then I have this one, Budgets with Elma, 4th of July. And I'll do 3. So 2, 1, and 3. 6. $6. And then this is, I got a Happy Mail from S&C Budget Creations from Cassie J. Budgets and Vlog. And I'm going to just roll 1 today. And then this is from MS Mom Budgets membership. And this 2, 1, 2, and this one 5. Oops. So 7. And then I have $2 left. I'm going to put it in Cassie J's. And then that's all of the money. So that's all I have for today. I'll be back tomorrow with Monday or Saving with Friends. My Monday minis, basically. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.